Hi, I'm Kari from the Lovely Blog. I'm here to show you today how to make your own hotel-style bed with at home. Hotels pride themselves in the luxury and comfort that they provide their guests. This is clear in the way that they not only dress their rooms, but especially their beds. White is by far the most popular color when it comes to hotel bedding and linen. Not only is it easy to clean, but it provides for that heavenly cloud-like cocoon. To achieve the hotel bed style, it's important to make use of layers on your bed, adding a duvet or a comforter and making sure that you use a 300 thread count and up will give you that soft, silky texture that you will desire. One of the best kept secrets is all in the pillows. Make sure that you fluff your pillows and then you can introduce color that complements the rest of the room with the scatter cushions. Adding this one and giving it a good karate chop. A second one, which I'm also chopping, and then adding my final pillow to get the perfect hotel style look. And then the final element is to add a beautiful throw to the end of the bed. I folded it in half, and then we'll throw it. And just iron out the final wrinkles. Using a pillow mist will help you to drift off to sleep easier and give you a better night's rest. Now you will have a bed that even a hotelier would be proud of.